What's up, guys? Welcome back at Tommy Omelet on Show. I got a girl. She just got back here. Tom on interviewed her before, months ago. Hello po. Good evening.
Hello po.
This is Live. Introduce yourself to them.
Hi guys, my name is Angie,
How old are you, be?
28.
Choose drink. Inom ka. Baka lasing ka dyan.
Tama.
Tagay ka mag-isa, hindi ako iinom.
Yung flavor niyo, hindi
Oo.
naman cheese.
Di ba na kailangan chaser? Lagukin mo na. How
Tanggayin na natin.
how old are you?
28.
How many child do you have?
2.
So your interview with Dom, you were working in bar before?
I'm working as a cultural dancer before.
For how long you been working in a bar?
10 years.
10 years.
Hmm.
Are you happy working in bar for 10 years?
No.
Did you find a partner boyfriend in 10 years or living
Yeah.
part?
The father of my youngest son is American. So,
White?
mm-mm,
He support the baby?
never.
What makes you stop working in a bar?
I'm getting old, so nothing is permanent.
Exactly. So we not gonna end up working in a bar.
Yeah.
And
I'm not gonna die working in a bar.
yeah, cause I can no for some of the girls they like working in a bar even they're old, right? You I'm sure one of your workmate even they're old, they not
Yeah.
shame to find a better job. They just want to work in bar for easy money.
Lahat alos.
Most
Most.
all
Uh-uh.
or she said.
Because like they all want easy money.
But before you used to
I used
like
to do that, but I'm not happy with it.
did you what's your experience in 10 years?
Sometimes it's happy, but like the longer time you're working in a bars,
You get
like
bored and
then some of the people like they don't respect you because you're working in the bar. That's the thing that I stopped.
that you learned working in a bar, people they don't
Mm-mm.
respect.
Like while you're walking down the street, like they will call you, oh, you're a prostitute, like this, blah blah blah.
Lagok. Lasinggi. As she said she's drunk every day daw. Ay, sana all.
After work, I drink even just one bottle of brothers.
With your husband?
I'm single.
Oh, you're single.
Yeah.
Who look after your kids?
My aunt.
Your auntie. How long you been single?
Last year.
When the last time you had sex? Yesterday.
I used to.
She said, "Oh my God."
Joke lang.
Later today, after, the day after, she said, yesterday daw, yesterday. That's the last time you had sex?
I'm not sure.
But I'm sure you're single, but you still had sex with your clients, diba? You don't have,
No.
you're not in a relationship, but you can have sex anytime.
The day that I stopped working in the bar,
Mm.
I don't do that anymore.
You don't accept clients, but I'm sure, because you said you had.
Syempre, alam mo na.
Okay. What's this? A Filipino guy?
No, it's not a guy.
A girl. What are you now? What's your gender now? A trans? Lesbian? Are you lesbian now?
Not.
Bi?
I like lesbian, but I'm not lesbian.
Why you like lesbian?
They're just the same with the guy, but the difference is
They can't get pregnant. Who take care? Who is better, a man or a lesbian? The way they
Just
take care of you, or
also, just the same. But when it comes to
sex.
mm-mm,
Mm.
different.
Because dito ko magtondo ako, baka di ka nila marinig doon.
It's different. Like the guy, like there's a chance that you get pregnant.
Mm.
The lesbian, you never get pregnant.
Sige, lagok.
Mas basic.
Bottoms up.
Chill lang.
Walang chill-chill dito. Bottoms. Kala ka singgir ano.
Di malamig.
Hindi malamig na. Hindi naman. Okay lang yan. Mm. Para maging wild ka dyan. What your job now? What is your job?
Delivery driver. I deliver
She's a rider daw.
parcels like this.
Shopee?
Mm.
Mm.
Shopee, TikTok.
TikTok?
TikTok shop.
Oh, I don't never know. Alam ko kasi yung TikTok about dance lang yun.
No, meron na din.
Oh, tok-tok.
TikTok meron na din. Like,
Business na,
they
rider.
do live selling.
Oh.
So, they ordered. So, we deliver.
How many hours you work in a day as a
It
rider?
depends on how many parcel will I take. Like, I had to deliver.
In
at
one
least-
day, if you can,
Like
ano,
I have to deliver at least 50 parcels a day.
50. Damn.
Usually, I finish like around 9-10 p.m.
How much you get in 50?
I get commission on every parcel. It depends on how many you're gonna deliver.
Okay, example, you get 50. How much you get?
450.
Each?
No.
No,
For
a day.
If I get 50, I'm gonna get 450 plus incentive.
That's every day. It depends. Or what if
Mm-mm.
it's only 20 pesos? How 20 parcel?
Times 9. Like 180 only. It depends
Wala
sa...
kayong salary nun? Yung salary nyo, yung parcel mismo.
Nakadepende sa parcel.
Oh, she don't have salary. It depends how many parcels she
So,
get delivered a day.
If you want money, if you need money, you have to deliver all the things you have.
Oh my God. But do
But
the
I like it better than
bar.
just working in the bar.
Exactly. But it's hot, right? I'm sure it's hard for you too.
For me, it's okay. I enjoy driving also the whole day.
Driving
May
what?
kalye na nga.
Driving what?
Trike.
Kala ko lalaki yung dinadrive. Ay, nako. How... Ano, nakalimutan ko na tuloy yung tatanong ko sa'yo. Can I ask, so, did you try to commit suicide?
Yeah, recently. This December.
Why did you do that?
Depressed lang.
So every time you get just first you try to commit suicide.
Like I have worse anxiety disorder. So I'm not allowed to be stressed too much. So since I'm enjoying my job, I'm not thinking a lot. Just driving. Yay.
Okay, that's good that you're
Yung hindi ako pwedeng nag-iisip na malala. Kasi parang lagi kong
naluloka
nag-iisip.
ka.
Hindi naman sa naluloka. Parang pag sobrang lungkot ko na, parang gusto ko na lang saktan yung sarili ko.
She said she can't get stressed too much because if she get stressed too much, if she's stressed daw, she wanna kill her. She wanna try to hurt herself.
Yeah, that's why I just want to be happy every day.
Yeah, for your kids, you have to. Yeah, visit Philippines. Have you ever visit Philippines?
Mr. Ambitious.
I don't know how.
Wait.
I told you to click the comment and show.
Oh, I did it already. Yeah, we are all here at Philippines, and you should
You should try
try
visiting here in
visit
Philippines.
Philippines. It's more fun in the Philippines. It's
Especially more beautiful girls.
more
Like her.
vagina. Ikaw also, Day. Kaso she
Wala
like,
tayo.
do you smoke cigarette?
Yeah.
That's good. Walang yosi, Day.
Bawal. Sa oras na lang mamaya.
Ay, naku. Why?
Where are you from, Mr. Ambitious?
From his mother and father.
I'm from my mom's home.
Oh my God. So, are you looking for boyfriend
Not now.
or to get married
No.
someday with a
I just
Filipino?
wanna
Or
focus on my kids.
that's good.
Like
And you're happy with your lesbian, diba? Is he your
before,
boyfriend
but we're not.
together?
I'm single, told you, diba?
Single with benefits with the lesbian.
Hindi, fubo tawag dun.
Fubu?
Uh-uh.
That's what they call daw, fubu. Why fubu?
Fuck buddy.
Fuck buddy daw. I thought fubu for us by us. Fubu shirt. Fuck buddy. Yun lang yung
Mm-mm.
tawag mo.
Upo ko.
Walang babe.
We can still be happy even though we're single.
Yeah. And you have kids, you have to be happy.
Yeah.
Lagok day. La Las Vegas. He's in. Okay, that's good. You should visit Philippines. Join Patreon. Hey guys, join patreon.com/Tom Yum Lechon. People get wilder and she can get wild. Do you know how to get wild? I'm sure kasi you're a
We all
coach.
know that.
O get wilder daw, mag-ano ka, tumbling ka, papunta doon sa
Pag ganyan, pay.
Do you want to have more kids?
I want one more. But not now. Maybe next 10 years.
10 years. But
Or maybe 5 years.
Inom dahil kay tatlago ka, tatambling ka dyan. Hit the like button. Join patreon.com/Tom Yum Lechon. Are you happy?
I'm always happy.
That's good.
Like
That you are.
from the day that I be single, like me and my girlfriend broke up. Like I feel the love from my family. Like they didn't left me behind. Then
Yeah.
right now, like they are focused on me because on what I'm suffering right now. Like I have anxiety disorder, so yeah, they always say yes on the things that I want to do. Like I want to drink, okay, go. Like that.
Baka kasi pag ayaw ka nila payagan, ma-stress ka,
Oo.
maglas-las ka.
And then they didn't let me like to stay alone in the house.
Yeah,
There's always someone with me, like my cousins, my dad, my auntie, especially my kids.
how old is your kids now?
My youngest, he just turned 3 years old last January.
Your
12.
firstborn?
And my firstborn, he's turning 10 years old on 26.
Oh, are they still studying?
Yeah, the oldest, but the youngest is only 3, so not yet.
He's where?
3 years old.
3 years old? Bawal pag-aral yung 3 years old.
Oh, ano?
Here at Philippines,
5.
it's in public school lang, di ba? Pag public school, bawal pa yung 3 years old. Here at Philippines, if your child is 3 years old, you can't bring them take them to school to learn.
Yeah, you have to wait until 4 or 5 years
5-year-old. I don't know why they do that. So you should teach your child in your house and teach them how to do.
Teach them how to doggy.
Do you know how to dance?
I'm a dancer.
Oo, dali na. Mag-dance ka dyan. Tabling.
Like, to those who's watching, you can watch that video. Like,
He's
Was-
going to she's going to
Yeah.
split her.
No, pakita natin sa screen yung video ko dyan dati. Like, they already interviewed me. Not like this. Before
What you look like before?
Wait lang.
Ano
I
tsura
look
mo da?
I look different with and without makeup. Very different. That's why Tom didn't recognize me.
Talaga, B.
Mm-mm. Saan ba yun?
Malayo pa yun, B.
Hindi, nakikita ko siya agad pag ano.
Malayo pa yun.
Hindi,
Doon pa yun sa ano.
Hindi, recent lang. Ay, yung tag dito, most view kasi siya. Kaya nasa taas. Naman. Promise. Sinend ko nga yung link sa pinsan ko. Pinanood nila.
So you look different with makeup.
Really different.
That's cool.
Like, even though before, like, when I was working in the bar, like, I never go out without makeup. I just put makeup when I'm at work.
I don't like
Like-
makeup.
It's my personality is very different from inside the bar and outside. Like, I don't bring my bar attitude outside.
Yeah, that's good. Because some of the bitches, they bring
Because,
their attitude.
Yeah, because many guys, like, if they are thinking you're working in the bar, like, it's too hard for them to give you respect. I don't know why.
Most of them. Maybe Filipino guys, not foreigners.
Some of the foreigners also, but they have to understand that all the girls who are working in the bar, they
They
have
needed to provide what their
Mhm, yeah.
family needs.
they have a priority.
And we should not
Just like
judge
me.
them.
Yeah,
Their priority to feed their family.
yeah. Especially on the single mom like me, you're not allowed to just relax on the thing that you wanted to do.
Oy, true.
You have
If you
to
don't
focus
wanna work, you need to
on how
work.
you eat every day. You have to think about where you're gonna get your food every day. Putang ina.
Natanggal yung postiso mo. Totoo?
Hindi, laway ko to.
Akala ko natanggal yung
Hindi,
postiso
wala
mo.
postiso.
Wala ba?
Like, you'll see the difference, like, from the moment that I stopped working in the bar.
How many tattoo you got in your body?
I got 17 tattoos.
What? How old are you when you got your first tattoo?
18.
Which one is your first tattoo?
The name of my son. This one.
Gavin?
And this is the recent one.
It's 500 peso
No,
or free?
it's 1.5 because not only this, because I also have at my back.
Ayoko na magpatato.
Like, on having a tattoo, like, not just because you wanted to. You have to do it because you, like,
Your body wants your...
like,
But 17 tattoo, it's a lot.
yeah, I want more.
Really?
Yeah.
Where? Where you want to
Planning on
put
my
it?
legs.
Sa puki.
Ito, okay.
Ano ako, walang volume.
Wala lang.
Ikaw yan?
Uh-uh.
Oh, she looked different,
Really different.
with makeup.
You see, this is my video on Tom Yum's, my first video when I was still working in the bar. But I changed.
Iba. Oh, someone asked if you can cook.
I can't cook.
Lumpia daw with spam. Yung spam gawin mong lumpia.
I can cook and I can also eat you.
Talagok. Hindi nga. Lumpia daw made with spam.
Like,
Yung spam nga.
Gagawin mo lumpia.
Oo.
Nagagawin nito Indian food.
She can't daw. Can you cook spam adobo?
I can also, I'm good
Spam.
at cooking, but I'm good at,
Blowjob daw. Can you cook spam adobo?
Spam adobo.
Or spam nilaga?
Why spam?
Ah,
What's with the spam?
I don't know to him.
Do you like spam?
Have you tried it?
Nah.
Lumpia made with spam. What's your favorite position
On what?
in sex?
I'm on top.
Oh, spam nilaga.
Oh,
Spam nilaga, B. Nakaka...
oh, you like my black hair? I like this better.
B, nilagang spam daw.
Can we just eat fresh, spam? I like it better with fresh. Mas gusto ko yung fresh kasi niluluto yung spam.
But you know how to cook nilaga, right?
Of course,
Filipino know how to cook.
I know
Ano?
how to cook.
Light on, light off during sex.
Lights off.
Are you willing to try 12-inch daw?
No, never.
Ay, nako. 12-inch of what? Funny, right? I spit or swallow.
I'd rather be virgin than to try 12 inches. My God.
Lunok, Dora. Dora. Spit daw. Spit. What's favorite position do you like?
I'm on top.
Tough?
Yeah, I'm a driver, so I want to drive them crazy. Yeah.
O, lagok. Inom. Inom ka lang ng inom dyan. Hanggang longganisa daw. Longganisa pala na 12 inches.
Longganisang expired.
Longganisang expired.
Do you eat expired food?
Expired pussy. Aray ko, rugo. Oh, hit the like button. It's free, guys. Huwag kayong maramot. Join the patreon.com / Tom Yum Lechon. Any more question? I got 3 viewers. How is it?
You can ask any question. It's free.
Dali, guys, before we end this live. Cause it's time.
It's time to. Hey. Longganisa. Ang angas pa ng spelling. Longganisa.
Dali na. Question 1, 2, 3, go.
Hey. Yun dapat yun.
Toy, gitay.
I'd like to take it to
Tay, gitay. Tagaytay! Oh my God!
Tagaytay, yawa.
Tagaytay daw! Oh my God, Tagaytay!
It's Tagaytay, boy.
Nabubo tayo sa Tagaytay.
Yeah.
Tagaytay!
Taga-Pilipinas kami pero di namin alam Tagaytay.
Tagaytay!
Tagaytay.
T-A-Y-J-A-Y-T-A-Y.
Oh, pray ikaw yan.
Oo. Favorite position? My position of what?
What kind of position? Janitor or what? Waitress?
Ay, naku. Tagaytay daw.
Tagaytay.
Tagaytay. Ano daw his
Ano?
year old high court lawyer. Sinlat of a Filipino thing. Sinlat of your what Filipina think about Indian. Oh, what
Many
Filipina
Filipina
think
are
of
scared
Indian
of
daw?
Indians
Because dahil
because like they will like they will chat you without saying hi, hello. They will just send dick. My God,
oy not all.
most.
Maybe those Indian people that ano.
But actually, the father of my son is half.
Thank you. SMK. Half what?
Half.
Half bulldog.
Half
Half shih
some,
tzu.
half zombie, half pitbull.
Language. Thank you, SMK. Does she ever prepare sunmig light daw?
Huh? Angie,
Pinay, when are you
Pinay.
getting your own show? You
What
are
kind of show you want?
Iloilo, right? Your noise, she's Kapampangan.
I'm not from any part of the Philippines, only here in Angeles City. Yay. My name is Angelica from the City of Angels. Hey. Yeah, it's true, right? Angeles City is a city of angels.
Boy.
Hey. They will girls in the Angeles, like they will bring you in heaven for free.
Red Horse or Sunmig Light? Emperador.
Red doors.
Oy, sex position mo daw. To SMK. Sex
Kulit na
position.
ito. I'm on top. I like that. Being on
Top
top
daw.
because I'm the driver.
Sa akin daw pala yung ano niya. No, I'm from somewhere down the road. I'm not from Iloilo.
No, sabi niya, no, my question is for Angie. Ate, sorry. We want, what? We
Sa
want
akin
her
yung
to
di-
get her own
Sa
show.
akin yung Angie din kasi. Angie din kasi.
I'm not into that. I'm busy driving my own.
Tolen, di ba? It's for me or it's for her. Oprah, she could be my angel for a month in Alabang. Oh, gusto ka daw niya maging ano?
Yeah,
angel.
I'm an angel, but
Inom di.
I can bring you to hell. God.
Heaven.
You can choose heaven or hell. It's all up to you.
Oh my God. Alabang. We're about in Alabang.
I don't wanna,
Alabang, girl, yo.
I don't want to go in other place. I just want Angeles City.
Why? Asking Oprah. Oh, sa akin pala yung mga tanong na yun. Sex possession. Ano ba kasi yung...
Ano ba kasi position?
Wala!
Any position as long as, ano?
Ay, naku, hindi position, hoy.
Any position will do. My God.
Oh. She don't wanna go to other places. She just want to stay at Angeles City because
Because this is my land.
have you ever been to other places
Like what? Out
of the Philippines or in Boracay, whatever?
I've been in
Palawan?
Malaysia and some other part of the Philippines. Actually, I'm the twin sister of Dora the Explorer.
Where about in Philippines? Oh, ito na. So she wants to be she's our driver. Our parcel delivery.
I'm a parcel package delivery. I drive tricycle. Maybe they don't know tricycle. Like I drive motorbike every day, the whole day.
Ask daw kita kung what if you run across a man with very large banana, will she come back down?
I run away. For sure. I run away faster than the Flash. Yeah.
Here, another question for you. Will you share your body or are you afraid? Are you a tree holder?
No.
Ah, She's just
Ah.
co-holler.
Guys, can I ask also to Lynch? Is that Lynch?
She said lol daw, lol.
Can I ask you a question? Please say yes.
Ay, nako.
Lynch, are you there? I'm here. You
Wala.
there?
Okay, what else do you want to share? Oras
No,
na.
I'm waiting for Lynch to respond. I have a question.
Okay, please respond before we end this live. And ask this Pinay ate, does she know a woman body made by aswang? Joke lang. Adjust to any man ate, pronounce link, not lynch. Link. Link.
Ah,
Not
Link.
Not lynch.
I'm sorry.
Because it's
Because my
The-
eyes. Okay, Carl. If you were gonna give a chance to have a superpower, but like they will give you electric power, but if there's no electric, it's not working.
hindi nila naintindihan yung tanong mo.
Loading sila, boy.
Wait naman mo ba yun? Lalo ka mag-loading dyan. Ay, nako.
Guys, tagay.
She's alcoholic daw. She's, ano? Are you okay?
I'm not alcoholic, but I just love drinking.
What's your question daw to him?
Ano? I forgot. You're so slow to respond, so I forgot. It was here already.
She's asking if you believe in aswang. Have you seen one?
I'm a aswang, do you know?
Who else believe in aswang?
I'm a aswang. I can, like, they call manananggal means like manananggal ng lakas.
Tara, lagukin mo na matapos na tayo.
Nag-init yung mukha ko, yawa.
Oh, he can control all things electronic, but I prefer in and out.
Carl, what do you like? Which one you gonna like? Sex or chocolate?
Oh, sex or chocolate? Sex.
What you guys like? Sex or chocolate? Can I get both?
Oh, he believed in aswang and capri also. Have you seen one?
I'm the aswang who will remove your powers every day. Hey.
Ay, nakorogo. Ano pa? Oh, lagukin mo na matapos na tayo.
Tutok to kayo, no?
Dali na, guys. More na before we end this live. Hit the like button. Please
Guys, you
share the
hit the
Patreon.
by hitting the like button, think
lechon.
that you hearing my...
Oh, sex with you daw covered with chocolate with mango.
Why mango? I don't like mango. Can we just get chocolate with
Buko juice.
alatiris?
Ay, nako.
And after you can't be as strong because your hair is not black.
Bland aswang.
I'm a crossbreed of aswang and an alien.
She's the bland aswang. She's
Yeah.
not from Philippines aswang. She's
No,
from
that's what they call
karma. Oh my God. What's your
millennial aswang.
gotta go. What's your dream for your kids?
I want before I die, I want to settle their life.
Nangangarap ka na mamatay?
We all gonna go in that. We all gonna die. So
Maaga pa. Hoy,
gabi na.
Oh, yeah.
Pasok pa.
Yeah, that's why I finish it na. Oh my God, you should ever add in our how many
Unlimited.
unlimited bola.
Too many to count. That's why it's
After you grow your hair out larger and black like a cat, then and only
Just like what I told you, I'm a millennial as well, so that's why my hair is blonde.
oh, she can come down many times. Oh, tagay mo na nang matapos. Nalagok. Oh, body shot. Body. Ang gana do body shot. Ay, naku. Body shot. Body shot daw, bias. Oh, Angie
Wala?
din kasi yung anak ko eh. Okay, Angie, ask this Pinay to transform into a stick if she turned to aswang.
I can transform as not now because we're on live. Maybe if you were just only me and you, I can transform as a Catwoman.
Yeah. He's learning Tagalog. He's learning Tagalog. That's good. That you're learning Tagalog, Rajat Kataryan.
Yeah, if you go in the Philippines, you
Is
should
this
learn
Tagalog,
Tagalog.
or what?
What?
Ask you daw. To zip her pants open if your kiki hair is black. She is not a blonde hair, lol.
It's not blonde, don't worry.
Stand up daw ka pala. Stand up.
Oy.
Stand up. Stand up lang ba? Turn around. You walk like a man. Lasing ang puta. You're drunk or what?
lasing. Hindi ako lasing na magpagod.
First, stand up mo pa yun. Nahihilo ka po.
Namumula na ako.
Naku. Ako nga hindi. Wait,
Tisoy.
pulang-pula eh. Let's go, guys. We gotta go. Yashi, stand up na. Ano? Ubusin mo na matapos na. 3 more question. Inopin mo na like, oras na. Uwi na. No more? Hit the like button.
I spit, don't
daw.
swallow.
Please join the patreon.com/Tom Yum Lechon. Oh, it's just an expression. Diba? If you say puta, lasing ang puta, diba? It was just an expression.
All the Filipino, they do that. Putang ina. Like, punyeta.
But some of people, yeah, you should be treated like a queen of aswang.
Yeah, I'm a queen in my own world. I don't need someone to treat me like a queen. As a queen, I mean.
It's similar between both of language when you spell.
Are you Spanish?
No, he's Indian. This guy,
Indian.
Rajat, he's an Indian guy. He's from Delhi. Spit or swallow, spit down.
And though you sound happy,
Like
person,
but you deserve to be treated like a queen. We all deserve treated to be a queen.
I don't have to be a queen because I'm my dad's princess. Yay.
Sana all. Oh, it's just an experience lang. Expression.
All Filipino has the bad tongue. They
But
speak
it
all
doesn't
the
mean
bad
that
words,
it
actually.
doesn't mean that we're a bad person if we say bad words.
Like in the Philippines, like if you don't understand why we speak like that,
Oh, well,
you're a moron, something like that. So you have to be open-minded when you go in the Philippines.
Would you like to be a lawyer?
I want to be no one's wife.
He will wrap you with spam and I ate you with a banana sauce daw, gagi.
Ito si spam. Narito ko ito eh.
Prito ka daw niya is she's going to fry. Oh, your her daw is not blonde here. Look at her. I'm not aswang, so I cannot look her. What what color is it? What color are you?
Black nga.
Spitter or quitters?
Huh?
Spitters daw or quitters? Spitters or quitters?
I don't quit. I just spit.
Ano na?
Ano na eh?
Hit the like button. Please join the patreon.com / Tom Yum Lechon. When Pinay have blondie her, it's still as she do not want nothing to do with whom her own roots are. I don't know about it.
We don't get the question.
Oh, spam eaters daw are not gago. He love spam. That's why he wants you to make him adobo spam.
I love spam, but not all the time. It's salty. It's not good. You have to eat different food like me.
Okay na.
I don't work in a
Your
bar
boyfriend in a
anymore.
bar. She don't. She's a driver.
I'm a driver. I can drive you crazy.
We gotta go, guys. Hit the like button. Join the patreon.com / Tom Yum Lechon. O say bye-bye na to your fans. Bye,
Bye,
spam.
guys.
Bye, spam. Bye, Link.
See you next time.
Rajat, bye. Thank you for
Thank
joining
you for
us.
watching.
I don't know.
We all have black hair. We just color it. That's why it's blonde. It's not natural. You
I
see,
don't
the
know why
root
they
is
like
black.
to mix. Why they don't like black colors. Black is beautiful.
Yeah, my pussy is beautiful.
Because it's all black. Color black na.
Yawa.
Your pussy now is beautiful because it's all black. Ah. Who's rubbing nipple in a camera? Who? Dabi pa.
Wala. Wala nga.
Wala nipple. Bye-bye, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Join patreon.com / Tom Yum Lechon. Thank you for your support of Tom Yum Lechon show. We appreciate you all. And babush.
See you next
See you
time.
next time. Bye-bye, guys. Dapawak na sabi.
Wala nga.
Wala nga daw, bra lang.
Bye, guys.
Bye.